Welcome to Maximizer CRM video tutorials. This video will show you how to configure and use Microsoft Outlook Synchronization for Maximizer CRM. Microsoft Outlook Synchronization mirrors entries between Maximizer and Microsoft Outlook to ensure the entries exist in both programs with the same information. You can choose to synchronize appointments, tasks, and contacts. Appointments and tasks scheduled within a specified time range are synchronized. To synchronize contacts, you must have the Allow Sync Contacts with External Clients user privilege. The synchronization can occur on schedule, or you can synchronize entries manually. When synchronization occurs, new entries are created in the two programs, changes and modified entries are copied between the programs, and deleted entries are no longer synchronized. Outlook synchronization is included with Outlook integration for Maximizer Web Access. For information on installing Outlook integration, see the How to Install and Set Up Outlook Integration video. Configuring Outlook synchronization. Once Outlook integration is installed and configured, you can also configure Outlook synchronization. In Outlook, open the Maximizer tab and click Preferences. The Maximizer URL, address book, and user details should be set along with the other Outlook integration settings. To configure synchronization, click Synchronization Options. Under Frequency, specify how often you want synchronization to occur, or select Never to synchronize entries only when you manually start the process. Under Conflict Resolution, select the program that acts as the master copy. When different information exists in the entries, the version in the selected program overrides the other version. You should select the program you use most often for data entry. To include appointments, select Synchronize Appointments. Then select the date range of the appointments to include in the synchronization. To include tasks, select Synchronize Tasks, and select the date range of the tasks to include in the synchronization. Select Carry Forward Unfinished Tasks to include overdue tasks in the synchronization regardless of the date. To synchronize contacts, select Synchronize Address Book Entries. Click Phone Mapping to map phone fields. You can map phone number fields from Outlook to phone number fields in Maximizer. Each entry in Maximizer can have up to 4 phone number fields. If more than 4 phone numbers in Outlook are specified for an entry, only the top 4 fields in this list are included in the Maximizer entry. Use the Move Up and Move Down buttons to move the selected field around in the list. Select the Maximizer favorite list that will contain the synchronized entries. Enter the Outlook category that synchronized entries are assigned to. When you're finished, click OK. Flagging contacts for synchronization. You need to flag contacts in Outlook and in Maximizer before they're synchronized. In Outlook, you need to set up a category for Maximizer contacts and add any matching Outlook contacts to the category. In Maximizer, you need to create a favorite list for Outlook contacts. Let's create a category for Maximizer contacts. In Outlook, open the Home tab. Click Categorize and select All Categories. You can rename an existing category or create a new category. The name of the category must match the name specified in the Synchronization Options dialog box. Next, add some of your Outlook contacts to the category. In the Contacts module, select the contacts that you want to share with Maximizer. Click the Categorize button and select the Maximizer category. In Maximizer, you need to assign any contacts used in Outlook to the favorite list specified in the Outlook synchronization preferences. For information on creating favorite lists, see the How to Create a Favorite List video. Manual synchronization. If you use Outlook synchronization regularly, You'll likely want to set a synchronization schedule in the Outlook Synchronization preferences, but you can also trigger synchronization manually at any time from within Outlook. When synchronization is triggered, changes made in both Outlook and Maximizer are synchronized. For example, in Maximizer, you might create a new appointment and want to add the appointment to your Outlook calendar. Or, in Outlook, you might add some information on one of your Maximizer contacts and want to capture that information in Maximizer. To trigger a manual synchronization, open the Maximizer tab and select Sync with Maximizer. Once the synchronization is complete, the new appointment is added to Outlook, and the contact details are modified in Maximizer. Thank you for using Maximizer CRM video tutorials. For further information, visit www.maximizer.com.